What's going on? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So today we're taking a look at Tamiya's 1966 Volkswagen 1300 Beetle. So let's go unbox, what's in the box, open it up, see what comes inside, and take more detail later on. Alright, so first up we're going to get your decals, and yes, this is actually the only decal you get in this kit. Your little VW logo and L300 series right there. That's all you get for decals, which is pretty cool. And their metal transfers. You are getting power caps for your wheels. Look at the car parts. We get these in the tree or in the bag, so I'll scratch them. But yeah, your headlights, your tail lights, a couple versions of headlights, I think. And you get your main windows. That's your rear window. I'm sorry, your main windshield. That's your rear window, and you get your side windows right there. That's typical Tamiya. Windows are super clear, very nice. Okay, let's move on to the tires. Tires are actually really nice. They are name branded. There they are. On both sides? Yes, both sides. Very nice. And you get a nice tread pattern. You are getting 5, and they are super squishy. And yes, you are getting 5 because you do get a spare to put one into the trunk, or the thwunk, people like to call it. Pretty cool. Chrome tree, not a whole lot, but what's typical to your handles, rear view mirror, indicators, your hubcaps, VW on there, headlights, marker lights, rear view mirrors, tail light, and then you do have your front and rear bumper. Very shiny chrome. Okay, single molded white tree. Your tiny, oh my god, those are super tiny. Your tiny windshield wipers. Looks like your thwunk hood latch, and there's your thwunk, people like to call it. Got a nice VW bug curve to it. There's your back portion of the interior. You do get mud flaps in this kit, which is pretty cool. Some engine hosings. Looks like side steps or side skirt. Looks like an engine part for the engine bay, and there's your hood, you want to call it, for the back. There's your dashboard. Nice detail. Again, you do not have gauge crossers for that because you don't have any decals, just the VW logo. But those are pretty easy to have in your parts bin if you have them, or aftermarket. Door panel. Steering column, looks like a hood hinge, and then there's your actual back rear interior for your back seat, and then your portion where your engine will peek through. And here's your other door panel with license plates. That's Volkswagen, and then I'm assuming that's a hinge for your hood. Very nice. And the last tree in this kit contains some of your interior parts, but mostly your chassis parts. There's your wheel backs, steering, suspension. There's your engine halves. You get your cute little inline 4 block, like a boxer engine, you want to call it. Very neat. Sway bars, belts and pulleys. Seat and seat back. There's your steering wheel. There's your Volkswagen wheels. Again, those hubcaps will go on there, make them look nice. Again, you do get 5. And that's your spare one. As you can see, it's open. More suspension, springs, exhaust. Looks like front bumper kind of thing. I can't remember. And there's your drive shaft that connects to your axle or transmission. Not really sure what that is. It must be a skid plate that goes down the middle to cover that up. Some of your axle suspension. There's your pedals. There's the other one. And then there's your main chassis tub. And your engine will go back there, and you're also your interior tub. Very nice. Nice detail. And the last thing in this kit is going to be your little Volkswagen Beetle body. Seems very tiny. Put on the squares. As you can see, super tiny. But that's how they are in real life. They're very tiny cars in real life, and that's how they are. So you do have mold lines, as I can see. They're very prominent. As you can see, there's one right there. Goes one on your fender, goes all the way up to here. That's a mold line too. Yeah, that's a very big mold line. I can't even tell. I thought that was part of a car, but no, that's a mold line. So you do have multiple mold lines, which makes sense because it's a very curvy body. Yeah, yep, those are very big. So those should not be there. You can really see those. Panel lines are actually pretty decent. They're actually pretty decent. I'll give them probably 1 or 2 scribes just to make sure, but they're actually pretty good. And again, you do have your hood and trunk thing set up separate because this kit does have it full engine, as you just saw. Headliner detail, not much. You just got some lighting in there, so if you want to, you can shave that out, but not too big a deal. But overall, body is very clean. You have markers for your windshield wipers and door handles, which is always nice, and rear view mirror. And your tail lights and your bumper mounts. So super slick. Very cool. But guys, after taking a very good look at this kit, it's a very nice kit. This kit's been out for a while, and of course, it's Tamiya. It's typical Tamiya. It's going to go together super well as comes to spec from Tamiya. So you're going to have no issues with it. Again, this is a full detailed car from Tamiya. Usually Tamiya are mostly curbsides. I wouldn't say mostly, but some are curbsides. But this one is a full engine, interior, and trunk or thwunk detail, which is super cool. And this is going to look really good at a lot of car show if you really take your time. You can go with some nice aftermarket wheels, nice paint job. If you want, there are aftermarket where you can get like a cutout for your roof. Which they do offer in real life on these cars. So very cool, and it's a very neat car. I know some people look at Volkswagen Beetles, like, oh, that's kind of an ugly car, but this car, typically from Tamiya, it's very cool. So if you have a chance to get one, you can reach get these for right around 20 to 30 bucks, which is awesome because again, it's an older kit, but it's super nice. But I don't know, guys, that's it for this video. I hope I'll catch you next time. Take it easy.